Hey guys, how are you? Is everybody doing okay? Well, thank you so much for coming back. I know it's been 2 very long weeks since I've uploaded a video, but I have good reason, I promise, I think. So in the past couple of weeks, I've been kind of mentally preparing myself for a project for a friend. I was invited to come help her declutter and organize her closet. So far this is like my 3rd video on just closet organizing and decluttering, and I think it's just the biggest area of opportunity for a lot of people in their homes, especially people like me, where we just like to buy clothes and we forget we have them, and some of our clothes still have tags on it and it just piles up, right? So it's very easy to have your closet get out of control. So I think for a lot of people, when it comes to home organizing, your closets are like the biggest area of opportunity. It's the one place that nobody visiting your house can really see, so it's easy to just kind of like throw stuff in there real quick and allow it to kind of get out of control. So this is huge. I haven't taken a client in a couple years, so I was, of course, again, very excited to take this opportunity to kind of practice organizing and help, because that's really why I like to do it, is to just help people, you know, kind of get some order to their life and make life a little bit easier in the house, right? So I was really excited to take that offer. I want you guys to tell me what you think about the before and after pictures of the project. Thank you so much for continuing to tune in and so much for watching.
Flaked on by my fridge like Tony. Guess I'll be eating all the words you say, and you say everything is gonna be okay, 'cause we'll be alright. By my fridge like Tony. Guess I'll be eating all the words you say, and you say everything is gonna be okay, 'cause we'll be alright. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. Flaked on by my fridge like Tony. Guess I'll be eating all the words you say, and you say everything is gonna be okay, 'cause we'll be alright. We'll be alright.
Just a little overview of how I do everything. The very first step before doing anything at all for me during this project was to first take out absolutely everything out of her closet. So that's exactly what we did. We took everything out of her closet, sorted it out, determined what she was gonna keep, what she was gonna toss, which took a little bit of time, but we got through it, right? And then after we determined what was trash, what was a keeper, what was donations, we had an opportunity to kind of gather everything up and put it back in her closet in a systematic, organized way. So that was what I did. After she kind of helped me sort everything out, I took the time to go ahead and put everything back in her closet in a systematic way so that she knows exactly what she's looking for. And when she goes in her closet, she's a very, very busy entrepreneur, and her life does not have enough time for trying to figure out where is what and where are my shoes and where is my jacket and where is my purse and so on and so forth. So it was really, really exciting for me. I feel extremely privileged to have been given this opportunity to help my sister and getting her closet together. So y'all, tell me what you think. I want you to stay tuned for my next video. We're gonna talk a little bit about products and my favorite products to get from IKEA. I recently paid a visit to IKEA because I'm going to be basically getting my room in order and get some of the stuff in my house in order as well. So I want you to stay tuned for some of the best products to buy from IKEA if you are an IKEA shopper and you just have that curiosity, like, where do I start? What do I get? What's gonna be helpful? Then this this next video is going to be for you. So I want you to stay tuned for that. Thank you again so much for watching. Leave me comments, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more. I promise there will be more. And I love you for watching. Thank you so much for coming back.